Good morning. This is the last week of Vlogmas. Today's Monday. I am currently at work getting ready to get me some McDonald's because I messed around, drunk some coffee and didn't eat with it. So this is what we having here. Yes, can I just get a number 2 sandwich? That's it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you to the 89 first.
Thank you. Hello, can I get some jelly, please? Strawberry and grape. Thank you. So her nails is always pretty. It looks like she keep her regular, like she don't put nothing on her nails but design and gel polish. But y'all, my spirits is down and they should be high, girl, because of Christmas. What my coworker got me. Okay, so this is what my coworker got me in this pretty pink bag. If y'all can see that. She got me, she was my secret Santa. This lip gloss said they all know I love makeup. So pretty. And it's by whoever that is. Fuzzy socks. She got me this candle from Marshall's. It smells so good. And a bath bomb. Cool. My secret Santa, the person I was, their secret Santa, I just got her a pajama, like a nightgown. And some socks, and then like the little mask thing to the nightgown. Yeah. Y'all, I know my spirits should be high, but they are like really down right now because, you know, spirits should be high because it's almost Christmas, but I don't know. I think it has a lot to do with Texas, Dallas. I don't like Dallas at all. And no offense, and don't take this the wrong way if you are from Dallas or if you love Texas, but I just don't. I don't like anything about it. The weather. This is going to be a part of my video where I start to complain. Sorry, fast forward if you don't want to hear this. But the weather, when I say it goes from one extreme to the other, like it'll be extremely hot and it jumps from being extremely hot to cold. And there's like no in between. It's like boom, boom. And I see why this is Hurricane Alley, because it went from like, a couple of days we reached like 108, 110 here degrees. And it went from literally like 90 in the hundreds to 50. Like there was no calm down period in between it. So you saw people going, just people here are so confused on how to dress. You saw people here with thick shorts on, flip-flops, barely any clothes on 1 week, and then the next week you saw everybody with a sweater and a damn coat and some damn Ugg boots. So the weather is probably is probably number one on my list of why I don't like Texas. I can't stand this, especially coming from the east, where it's like we have the fall, we got summer, we got fall. Atlanta normally has mild winters. They don't have severe winters like you would see up north. And then, to me, they're mild summers compared to like Texas. So, move. Something just popped up. So that's probably number one. Yeah. I'm used to being in Atlanta. You got the taste of Atlanta, taste of Marietta. You got the safaris. You got the pretty lakes you can go hang out. You got the Buckhead area, the underground. You got the, what's it called? The Battery. You just got all kind of stuff to do. You don't have it. You got the beautiful resorts there. You could just go and just chill and get facials. You don't have any of that here. I ain't even experienced no good southern restaurant here either. So that's one thing. Sorry to complain about that, but I think that's why my spirits are down, is boredom. We tried to find things to entertain ourselves, and we pretty much have maxed that out. So your Joe has even bought games so we can entertain each other and play games, and I'm bored with that. Starting to get bored with that. So boredom also calls for you to gain a lot of weight too. What else? Yeah, I could just rumble. And I think another thing is I don't know, just boredom. Say something.
What?
Babe, say something.
What? You were taking a picture. Merry Christmas, you two.
Okay. Thanks, babe.
And Happy New Year.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. This is the day after Christmas. Oh, yeah. I'm finally feeling better, y'all. I had COVID. Hate to inform y'all, but I got COVID. So I was down for the count for, 5 days? I'm feeling better, so I want to do some after Christmas cleaning. Giorgio's fine. He doesn't have COVID. He's over there on his tablet. I cooked a ham, y'all, yesterday. With the help of my elf, aka Giorgio. Santa's little helper. And this is the first time I cooked like a raw ham. Well, I don't think it was like 100% raw. I don't know, but I read the directions on how to cook it from the actual company who sells those hams, and they just said you use your own judgment, but preheat your oven between 325 to 350. You know your oven. It's pretty much they were saying. So I don't have that fancy oven like we did in our old apartment, or in Atlanta. So I had to do one notch up, which was 350. So, and it says heat between 18 to 30 minutes per pound. That's how long you cook it. So it was about a 9-pound, almost 10-pound ham, but I cut like a lot of fat and skin off of it. So it was probably about a 7-pound once I was done with it. So I just cooked it for like a 9-pound. So we cooked it for about 3.5, almost 4 hours on 350. It came out so good. It was falling off the bone, and I glazed it like 2 times throughout cooking with my special sauce. And so I didn't record that. I just was not feeling that great. and I use pineapple. Growing up, I watched my family, like my mom and all them, my aunts used pineapple and pineapple juice with brown sugar, honey, a little bit of mustard. And I saw people using butter, but what's the name? The ham is already greasy and just not good for you. So I didn't put any extra, like any butter, but I did use the rest. And it was so good. We have a lot left over because it was so big. And I think with the leftovers, I'm going to make a pasta with it. Like, it's a Cuban pasta. And I first saw it with, your Joe's stepmom makes it. And she, oh my gosh, it's so good. So good. I asked her for the recipe. She gave it to me. So that's what I'm going to do with the leftover ham. Let's make one big pasta. And I'll show you guys how to make that. How I make it. Well, how she introduced it to my life. I can only be down for so long, and then I can't deal with Oh, I wanted to show y'all these. I got these frosted sugar. Let me get the other one. Well, the other one's in the bathroom. It's just excuse me. Frosted sugar. I got these from Walmart for $2.50. The other one is like strawberry something, but it's hand soaked. I made 2 apple pies, so I gotta let this soak for a minute because the filling for the apple pie is like not coming out, and this is not a non-stick whatever pot, so it's gotta soak that sugar